Hello viewers, once again welcome kura chanai di ase 1994-95 phale moi ekta school de buri thakise enaga pura homoy de moi ke class pithore buli kura nohwa kam kura khan students khan thakise to itu very school de moi laga cousin probi dai buri na thakise to dai bra moi ke insult kura nohole moi ke buli kura manu khan ke dai kali di thakise de etu nisna tai thaka nimide moi ekta safety feel krise etu nisnai action laga support hole tuk time de lage phal time de mohan action laga support iman na lage hole bi tuk time de mohan support lage aro they are citing an example of our neighbors mohan laga relationship with neighbors thik thako lage kile gole mohan asol khandan manu khan naha akide tuk padam de noha incident hodam de neighbors khan de phat pungji aro mohan laga tuk pi first to hole neighbors khan ke share guri etu nisna मोहन लगा लाइफ दे नाइबर्स खान लोर रिलेशनशिप फाल रखो ले पीसी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कथा एकटा सो व्यूअर्स अच्छी लगा वीडियो दे रिसेंटली इंडिया और पाकिस्तान लगा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स दे मॉन्सो पर दिखिसे इंडिया के कुन पर सपोर्ट करिसे पाकिस्तान के कुन पर सपोर्ट करिसे तो अच्छी लगा वीडियो दे इंडिया और मोहन लगा नाइबरिंग कंट्रीज खान लोर रिलेशनशिप तो किनगा आसे एतु कोई दिबले वीडियो लोइगना आहे आसे एकटा article de moi come across krise India finds itself increasingly isolated in South Asia laga continent de India do hole khali geographically nohigana politically one of the isolated country ase enaga India ka kwa du dikhi paise mane neighboring countries lode ekta relationship phal bra maintain nogri enago habra India do hole one of the isolated country ase और एटू लगा रिजल्ट होले रिसेंटली इंडिया और पाकिस्तान लगा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट दे मोहन दिखुलो पारिसे डिसेंबर 14 2024 दे द हिंदू न्यूज दे ओलाके फॉर्मर यूनियन मिनिस्टर मनीष शंकर आयर बरा दाइ कुसे I think endangering ourselves by continuing to have a very hostile relationship with our neighbors ताइ बरा कुसे अपना ब्रा और मोय ब्रा भी मौसम ब्रा भापना बुरी ऐसे मोहन लगा hostile relationship with our neighbors एनागा बिल गुरा निमिदे मोहन की endangered कुरी ऐसे कोई ना दाई कुछ 2016 डे इतिया प्रेसिडेंट थाका एक्सटर्नल मिनिस्टर अफेयर एस जे शंकर बटाई एनागा कोआ थाकिसे एटु टाइम दे दाई फॉरेन मिनिस्टर थाकिसे India cannot grow in isolation we find it much harder to do so without the support of the region. For that reason, it is imperative that cooperation and connectivity with neighbors grow rapidly. Isolation de thakisiblo India to develop nohobo. Etu nimide action laga support lage. Neighbors kan laga support lage. Etu nimide relationship with neighbors to hole rapidly build kurbo lage kugina. Tai once enaga kwa thakise. और recently Congress leader Rahul Baki kuise viewers amnahan ek bar hunise
What is happening is that India today is completely isolated. We are completely isolated and surrounded. We are surrounded in Sri Lanka, Nepal, Burma, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China. Everywhere we are surrounded, and our opponents understand our position. We have been weakened. The conversation between our people is not taking place. Our institutions are under attack, and we are completely surrounded. The Chinese have a very clear vision of what they want to do. They are very, very clear about what they want to do. The single biggest strategic goal of India's foreign policy has been to keep Pakistan and China separate.
तो अच्छी लगा वीडियो दे व्यूअर्स अकीर को निस्ना इंडिया और नाइबरिंग कंट्रीज लगा रिलेशनशिप किनगा आसे मन वन बाय वन जानिगना जाबो इंडिया और चाइना लगा रिलेशनशिप किनगा आसे 2020 दे लद्दाख ते इंडिया और चाइनीज लगा ट्रुप्स खान माजोरे एकटा मारामारी हुआ थाकिसे गालवान वैली दे एतु मारामारी हुआ दो हले India khan bra Ladakh te thaga aksai jin du hole India laga jaga asuguna claim kuri ase hole bi China khan bra edu du hole takhan laga asuguna claim kurage tade Kalwan Valley de India army aro Chinese army lore ekta standoff ha thakise aro huni ase ki edu aksai jin du hole idia Chinese laga control da asuguna honi ba ase aro recently news te amnan bi prabi dikhi thakibo China khan bra Arunachal hole South Tibet asuguna dhan claim kuri ase idia chuti itu laga claim du hole further jaise India ke noha kam kuri disuglo do India aro Chinese majode bi tangor conflict to olabonisna lagi ase edubra idia so far India aro Chinese laga relationship du hole PC bia hoigina thaka viewers moan dikhi pai ase aro India aro Bangladesh laga relationship du hole kinaka ase mon sopra dikhi kena ase Sheikh Hasina thakadam de India aro Bangladesh laga relationship to phal thakise holebe Sheikh Hasina laga government to overthrown kurina itia interim government headed by Muhammad Yunus hua bichide India aro Bangladesh laga relationship to hole pia hoija viewsan mon dikhiba ase etu laga relationship to hole recently India aro Pakistan conflicts oladan mon sopra dikhi ase India khan bakoi ase ki Bangladesh te minorities Hindu khan ke PC pia bra treat kuri ase kugana etu laga kotha opodibi India aro Bangladesh laga relationship to hole pia hua mohan dikhiba ase aro inaga hua bra Indian khan bra the fallen of Awami League is equivalent to the fallen of Dhaka lore relationship pia hua hole after the fallen of Awami League government gugina idia India khan bakoi ase aro idia India bra CAA edu implement kurise edu laga CAA hisab te inaga koi ase ki monso prachana 2014 December 31st akire Bangladesh pra Pakistan pra Afghanistan pra religious issue nimide ki manjun non muslim manhuan ahigna ase Christian hobi Sikh hobi Hindu hobi edu an kiman India ra ahigna ase takhan ge citizenship dibo kogina India pra CAA implement kura thakise itu laga opore Bangladesh laga Muslim khan Afghanistan laga Muslim khan aro Pakistan laga Muslim khan bra India ge itu to thik nai kugena kwa ge idia itu laga opore bi Bangladesh aro India laga relationship tule pia hoija viewers mon dikhigena ase
Finally, across the sea, India shares maritime borders with Sri Lanka and the Maldives.
It is coming to the India and Sri Lanka laga relationship. Akiru to kinaga thakise ko nambare. Olebi itia do hole anti-Indian and pro-China Marxist leader Anurag Kumara Disanayak. Tai idia president hoigana ase Sri Lanka de. Enako hua pra tai do hole pro-China manu ase. Kilogule Chinese khan bra Sri Lanka de PC influence kurigina ase modern India. Enako hua bra idia Sri Lanka laga leader pi do hole idia in favor of China jayas. Aro China aro India laga relationship to mon dikhigena ase. Dubra idia even the Sri Lanka relationship to hole India lore phal noa recently inaga dikhula para dikhi ase. Nepal aro India laga relationship kinaga ase. Kobogole Nepal de 82% to hole Hindu khan ase. Aro India de khali 79% to Hindu ase. Inaga Hindu pisi thaka country dakpi do hole idia India logo de relationship phal noha dikhiba ase kilegule 2014 de Nepal laga government bra ekta nudun constitution adopt korole kosis kora thakise 2007 de pona interim constitution do phelagina nutun democratic constitution do ponabole koa thakise enaga thaka homoy de foreign secretary nimide SJ Shankar thakise to prime minister Narendra Modi bra 2014 de SJ Shankar do hole Nepal de photaise Nepal de photakina taige tai pro koise kugina Nepal manu khange inaga kobi kwa thakise tell the Nepalese that they are not allowed to proclaim their new constitution etu message to hole prime minister Narendra Modi bra convey kura thakise Nepal manu khange nutun constitution to claim grole proclaim grole naparibo inaga kobi kugina prime minister Narendra Modi bra kwa thakise inaga hoa pra even coming to the adoption of constitution Nepal manu khan bra India khan ke mon pia pai pa thakise Or Nepal Khan ba koise ki India laga map to hele ridiculous map ase. That means ta khan laga mathi dibi churi gina ponai ase gina Nepal Khan ba complain kura thakise. Hole bi Nepal Khan pra etu ko oppose kuri gina September moina 2015 de notun constitution to hele adopt kora thakise. Etia Nepal aro China laga relationship pi phal hui jai ase. Across the Himalayan region, China Khan bra ekdam dangor railway to build kuri dise. Once Nepal to hole Nepal laga gateway to hole khali India thakise. Holi bi idia Nepal le chawle gateway to hole all the China phale hoi ja dekhi pa ase. Itu nisnai Nepal or India relationship pi to hole pia hoi ja dekhi pa ase. India and Bhutan relationship 2017 de Toklam de ekta Indian army or Chinese army kan stand off for thakise. Toklam to hole tri-border area ekta ase dispute area between India, China and Bhutan. Enako hoabra Bhutan kan bakui ase ki war nola akide. Itu mathi ke chuchi kina war nola akide China kholore settle kurul monja ase. Olebi settle nukuri gugina India kan bra tahange hold back kuri ase. Enako hoabra Bhutan kan pe India lore relationship to hole surface to phal ase olebi internally to hole ekta tension thaka dekhi pa ase. Maldives or India laga relationship. Recently, Maldives the president election time de takhan laga slogan nuki thakise. India out. Aro recently monsoon pra honi thakibo. Maldives the kiman Indian army khan present ase. Tahando withdraw kuru lagi kuina. India Maldives laga president Muizu perkwa viversan mon honi gana ase. Muizu tai president election de jita sat satai Turkey or China de flew kura thakise to show that Maldives is not a puppet of India anymore. India or Maldives laga relationship pi hule edia pia hoja dikhi pa ase. Now coming to India and Burma relationship. India khan bra Burma de thaga ekta democratic political leader Aung San Suu Kyi ke support kuri ase hole bi edia Burma to hole junta army khan bra rule kuri ase. Regime government bra rule kuri ase. That shows that ekta democratic country or regime government majore tangor relationship to hole bill kurula nabara etu dikhi pa ase. Etu nisnai India Arab Burma laga relationship pi hole ekdam phal noa biursan mon dikhi pa ase. Especially northeast insurgents khan bc ola nimide etia India aro northeast manukan noele Myanmar khan etu laga issue kinaga deal kuri ase mon dikhi pa ase. Etu nisnai etia India or Myanmar relationship hole pia hoja dikhi pai ase.
To the west lies Pakistan. India and Pakistan share a border marked by the Radcliffe Line. This line has been a source of conflict between the two nations.
Etia coming to the last India or Pakistan laga relationship. Since 1947 partition of India and Pakistan kiman wars olaise or recently hua conflicts tibi kinaga hoise viversan mon sopra dikhigena aise. That shows that India or Pakistan hole kutta or sakuli nisna ase. Kidia bi friend no hobo nisna lucky ba ase. Kidia bi relationship hole bill no hobo nisna lucky ba ase. Or future dibi idia India or Pakistan majure conflict olawle border issues nole alag alag issues an busy ase viversan. Enaga dikhai sabte India or Pakistan hole ekta rivalry country ekta ase. Or kidia bi phal relationship bill no kuru nisna dikhi ba ase. Recently, India or Pakistan laga conflicts oppose. Openly, Pakistan ke kun support kurise, or India ke kun support kurise. Overseas countries kanbra like UK, nohele Israel, nohele United States of America kanbra. There is attack kuntu 22nd April 2025. Bahal kam do hoise. Itu opore contempt kurise. Holi bi openly kun brabi publicly India ke support kuri ase. India laga sovereignty nimide mohon fight kurubo kugina. Kun brabi koane. Olibi Pakistan nimide Turkey China khan bra openly declare kura thakise. Biwosan amnan bi ekbar hunise.
Don't ever underestimate China's commitment to Pakistan to defend Pakistan's legitimate interest of its sovereignty and territorial integrity. We are ironclad brothers and sisters.
So, Professor,
the relations between China and Pakistan are ironclad brothers and sisters relations. We really support each other. So if any escalation of the tension will threaten the legitimate interest of the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Pakistan,
we expressed our support to the Pakistani public. During difficult days, we are going to continue supporting the Pakistani people.
So viewers, amnan barbi phapana gurishapi India aro neighboring laga relationship tule. Akiru kwanisna, is it India foreign policy do itatak PPC week asniki? Mo laga neighbors kando ekdam hostile neighbors nemida ponai di shukludo. Coming this day, India laga future kinaga hobula ase. Even in politics, even in trade, or even in partnership, India or mo laga neighboring countries can majore ki hui jabula ase. Akiru kwanisna, took time dihi mon action support lagi. Itu nisnai itia India or neighboring countries laga relationship to hole PC biya hui ja dikhi ba ase. Itu bra, itia coming futures tibi. Itia Prime Minister Narendra Modi bra lead kurigna kiman Indian leaders khan ase. Taihan bra foreign policy noale neighboring countries khan lode strong relationship to hole rebuild kurula paruna. Itu do hole sabse tango question mon sopra pokhigna thaka. Itu bi koi di ase. To achi laga video de viewers khan India laga relationship with our neighboring countries to kinaga ase short day amnan ke share kuri di ase. Thank you everyone for watching my video.